How to remove or delete Cash App transaction history. In this video, you'll learn step by step how to remove or delete your Cash App transaction history. Start by opening the Cash App mobile application. You'll land on the app's homepage. Here, there are several options that allow you to access different features of the app. From those options, go to the bottom menu and tap the icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your activity page on Cash App. On this page, you'll see a list of all your past transactions. As you can see, there is no option to delete individual transactions, but don't worry, I'll show you what can be done. Next, tap on the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your Cash App profile. Here, there are several settings and options for managing your account. Scroll down carefully. Make sure to follow this tutorial step by step to avoid any mistakes. Once you get to the bottom of the screen, tap on the option named Support. This will open the support section of Cash App. On this page, there are different categories for resolving issues you might encounter. From these categories, tap on Account and Settings. This will take you to a new page with settings related to your Cash App account. Here, you can manage or make changes to your account settings. Now, scroll down again, carefully. Continue scrolling until you reach the bottom of the page and locate the option named Close Your Cash App Account. Go ahead and tap on that option. Cash App does not currently offer an option to delete your transaction history, but if you want to erase all activity, the only available method is to delete your account entirely and then create a new one. Please be cautious. Closing your account is permanent and cannot be undone. I hope this tutorial helped you find a solution to the issue you're facing. If it did, make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks, that is how to remove or delete Cash App transaction history.